Hello, everybody, and welcome. I'm going to be redoing the window because it's now Christmas season. I have been making a lot of projects, having a lot of fun with what I've created, planning and trying to come up with things I'm going to be making to decorate my house. I've got a few ideas of some big projects that are coming, and hopefully, I'm going to be able to share many of them with you guys. I have been seeing so many ideas. I have so many ideas. Gonna be putting the tree up and decorations up soon. I just am so excited. I can't wait for everything that we're gonna be doing throughout the next month. So first off is I measured the window so I knew the space I was dealing with, and I went into Cricut Design Space and I made a square of that size so I could be able to work with the space that I have and know exactly what's going to go where and how big things have to be. It makes everything so much easier. So once I've got the size, I go into designing. I put the name, and I want to add in a few little things that I customize on a daily basis. So, and I want to add a little Christmas theme in there. So I put in a gingerbread house and a snowman because they're very Christmassy, very cute and Christmassy. And then I added uh, Christmas designs on a tumbler, a mug, and a shirt and a puzzle. Just cute little Merry Christmas sayings and a cute little husky playing with a ball in snow for the puzzle. Once I put everything together the way I want, added all the words and all of the images where I wanted them all to be, I sized them all and made sure I prepped them so that they would go on the window the way I want. I had to plan it all out because I was putting it on the window, on the inside of the window, and I wanted it for the outside. So it was important that I mirrored everything so that they could go on properly. And with regular vinyl, that's no problem because the color shows up on both sides of the vinyl. But the sticker paper is different. So I had to come up with an idea of how to get the sticker paper to go against the window, the design against the window, but be stuck to the window, if you know what I mean. Because you can't print on the sticky side of the sticker paper. So once I figured that all out, I got all my materials together. I started cutting out the design. I used my little cutter to cut out the vinyl to the sizes that I needed. I ran I ran everything through the Cricut machine. I printed out using my regular printer what I needed to. And then once I've gotten everything cut out and I've gotten everyththing printed out that I need and I have all of the materials that I needed for this project, I gathered everything up and then I went upstairs to start working on the window. This involved a bunch of different colors, but I knew that the payoff would be well worth all of the effort that I had to put into making this. I also had a can of um, I had a can of snow, that snow in a can stuff that you can get at. I got it from Home Depot, but you can get it from a variety of different stores. So I had that in mind because I wanted to add that to the window. So first off, as I had to take the old design off the window, which was not an easy thing to do. It was quite stuck to the window. So my husband came in, gave me a hand with that, helped me get all the old vinyl off the window and all of the stickiness so that the window was clean and clear. Then I began to add the design onto the window slowly. Some of them involved a bunch of layers. I used transfer paper to move the words from the backing for the vinyl to the window, which helped a lot. It took some time. This project took me a few hours to do, but it was so worth it. Let me know what you guys think of the results of the window, and would you like more in-depth step-by-step on how to do this yourself? Let me know in the comments, and I hope everybody has an amazing day. Happy crafting, everybody.